Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I have a Chanel unboxing. This may or may not be an item that I previously listed in my 2023 no buy list. If you haven't already watched that video, I will link it down below for you. If you are new to this channel, welcome, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy this video. If you are returning to my channel, then welcome back. Let's go ahead and get right into this unboxing from Chanel. I picked this beauty up about a week or two ago. I've been waiting to unbox this with you guys, although I have used the item already. But I picked this up from Bloomingdale's about a week or two ago. I can't wait to show you what this beauty is. Unfortunately, this was after the recent price increase. I don't know with certainty if this particular product or item was impacted by the price increase, but when I saw it, I absolutely had to have it. It made my heart sing, so I went ahead and picked it up. So let's go ahead and unbox this beauty. And as you can see here from the packaging, this is, if you can't already tell what this is, the Chanel booklet. It comes with, and I'm sure you can tell what this is just from this. This is a wipe cloth that says Chanel there in white. And then I've got this beautiful case. It's got the quilting on the back, all black there. Look at that, so pretty, all leather, all genuine real leather. It's got the Chanel embossed there in the front. Beautiful black leather and that quilting that goes all the way in the back and through the front. And look at that, you've got it Chanel right there. It's sort of a microfiber type of material. And let's get into these beautiful pair of sunnies. Now, I have seen this pair of sunglasses on so many different influencers now. I honestly tried them on before even realizing that these were the ones that have become so popular lately. And I will link these down below for you in case you are interested. But these are the new Chanel sunglasses with the Chanel word and name right there on top with the CC on the top and on the side. I thought these were so cute. These have become really popular in the white, but they do come with different color Chanel letters on the top. I've seen them in green, and this is in the yellow, which I thought was really cute for spring and summer. It does have the CC there on the side, very discreet, you know, not super in your face, not too large, very cute. And I love the way these sunglasses look on me. They're such a classy, classic pair. They do say Chanel there on the top as well. It's a nice color lens as well. It's sort of like a gray, purpley kind of color. And it's almost got an ombre look where it's a little bit darker on the top and then it kind of shades to a lighter color on the bottom. But I just love the Chanel on the top. I just think it gives it a nice little pop, a nice edge. They're super comfortable to wear. These have actually become my new go-to. So I'm very happy with these. And again, they're such a classic little pair. This is a shape that will remain in style for many years to come. And I know I said I would not be buying designer sunglasses. That was specifically one of the items in my no buy list for 2023. So forgive me, I splurged and I went and I bought another pair of designer sunglasses, but I needed a new pair for the spring and summer. I just couldn't help myself. So comment down below. Let me know if you own these already or if you're looking to add this pair to your collection. If you're not sure, I would highly recommend. I think they're beautiful. They're very comfortable. They're classy. I think they look good on most, if not all, face shapes. Bloomingdale's does have these. This is where I picked them up, but I believe you can also order them from the Chanel website. I will link this specific pair for you down below so you'll know exactly the name and style. And I hope you can add these to your collection. I absolutely love them. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.